questions which we have not done?
Yes, ma'am.
More are there?
Ma'am, I done anything.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How
Ma'am,
many
I
are
done
there, children?
7 questions.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. So, shall we start discussing?
Yes, ma'am.
Which was the question? Question will you read?
8.4.
Yes.
Yes.
Good morning to all. Good morning. Sorry, I forgot to wish you.
Good morning.
Good morning, children.
8.4.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. So will you tell the question? I'll write on the board.
Okay.
Express as rupees using decimals.
1 minute.
Express.
Express as rupees using
Express
decimals.
as
Rupees
rupees. And the question
using
is?
decimals.
Use the
5
decimals.
paise.
5 paise. Wait. Okay. 5 paise. Paise equal to dash rupees. What is the answer?
0.05.
0.05.
0.05. Okay. Second question.
75 paise.
75 paise.
75 paise equal to 0.75 rupees. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
20 paise.
20 paise. 20 paise equal to 0.20 or 0.2. 0.2. Then fourth one.
50 rupees 90
0 and 90 paise.
50 rupees 90 paise
90 paise.
equal to
50.90
rupees.
90 rupees. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am. And we did 725 paise.
725 paise.
725 paise.
725 paise equal to
7.25
7.25 rupees.
Rupees.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Ma'am, we have written the 5 paise and 725 paise in textbook, right? I mean, in notes. Ma'am, we have written the 5 paise and 725. Ma'am, we have written the 5 paise and the 725 paise. That question and all in the notes.
Okay, no problem. Okay, then next question, children. Which we did not do, only you tell. Otherwise, my time will go.
Okay. Express as meters using decimals. Expressed as meters
Using decimals. Yes. Next question.
15 centimeter.
15 centimeter. Which we did not do. Okay. Which we did not do.
Ma'am,
Which we did not do, only you tell.
Ma'am, in that
All you did.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how? I won't waste my time because we did
Ma'am,
only 7
ma'am,
questions.
15 centimeter we have already done.
Okay. Only 7 questions somebody told.
Yes, ma'am.
Express as came in decimals. That 2 questions we did.
That you tell. Okay. Which we did not do. Only that.
Express as centimeter using decimals.
Tell.
8 meter.
8 meter. Okay. 0.008 kilometer. Clear?
Kilometer.
And second one?
70 kilometer.
70 kilometer, 5 meter.
That also we did, right?
No, ma'am.
5 meter equal to 70.005. Next one.
Only 2 questions we did.
Only 2 questions. Now nothing.
No, ma'am.
And the next question.
Express
as kilogram using decimals.
In that?
26.50.
26 kilogram. 26.50. Who told that? 26 kilogram, 50 gram.
Kilogram, 50 gram.
50 gram. It is 26.050. 050. We need 3 decimal places, right?
Yes, ma'am.
050. Now anything?
Yes, ma'am. 3,750.
3,750
750 gram.
gram equal to 3.750
3.750.
kilogram. Now anything more?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So I told you to pick the questions which we did not do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will move to the
Word
word
problem.
problems. Word problems.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me,
So
ma'am.
children, will you please look at your notes? Some word problems we did, right? Some word problems. Some word problems, subtraction, addition and all.
Ma'am, in decimals.
Decimals.
Ma'am, decimals.
Okay, 1 minute.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. We did not. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, in decimals, no word problems. We didn't do any word problems.
Hello children, did we finish any word problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so we'll start the word problem one by one when starting onwards. Okay, starting means we used to find addition of numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll start with addition of decimal numbers.
Yes, ma'am. Word problems, right?
Okay. If it is so easy, I'll give you as a homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, children. So, question number 1. Write as word problem. Word problems. Word problems. Question number 1.
Ma'am, green.
Green. Okay. It is not coming. Green, only red is coming now. See, children, let me see. Only red is coming and it is that. Okay, coming. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, children, one question. Whose name shall I give? Harriet. Okay. Harriet spent rupees 9.50 for buying a pen. For buying a pen.
Yes,
Buying
ma'am.
a pen. And rupees 2.50 for one pencil. For one pencil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How much money did she spend? How much
Money did she spend?
money did she spend? These word problems are so easy. So I'll give the remaining problems as homework.
Ma'am, addition. Ma'am, addition.
Yes.
Okay, so children, no need of writing all the steps. You just write total amount. Only
Yes,
that.
ma'am. Okay,
Total
ma'am.
amount. total amount. Amount equal to add and find out.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 12 rupees. Ma'am, 12 rupees.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Did you all got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
12 rupees. Rupees 12.
Rupees. I'll give rupees. 1 minute.
12
Rupees 9.50 plus
plus
rupees
rupees
2.50.
2.50.
1 carryover. Then no. Why should we carry over there?
Ma'am,
1 minute.
carry
1
over
minute.
in
1
9.
minute. 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Now okay.
No carry over.
Now 12. Rupees 12.
12.
Total amount spent is rupees 12. Next question. Okay, shall I raise?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Next question. Whose name shall I give? Second one.
Second one.
Shravana. Shravana traveled 5 kilometer
5 kilometer,
52 meter
52 meter.
by bus.
Yes, ma'am.
And 2 kilometer 265 meter by car. And the rest 1 kilometer 30 meter she walked.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she walked. How much distance?
Did she
How
cover?
much did she travel? How much distance did she travel in all? Did she travel in all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, 1 minute. Here you have to write the steps.
Total distance.
This one word problem I have told you about, that you have to see carefully since it is kilometer and meter. Look at this, there is only 2 places.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the conversion,
Yes.
2 places, how will you write the decimal point?
5.052 meters.
1 minute. Distance, here you have to write the full steps. Distance traveled by bus. Equal to 5 point. Tell me.
5.052
052
kilometers.
kilometers. Yes, fine. Then distance traveled by
Distance
car.
traveled by car is equal
Equal
to,
to, you have to rewrite it again.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am, 1.030 kilometers.
2 kilometer, 265 kilometer by 2
point.
265. No need of any conversion here because it is 3 places. Nothing to worry. Next one, distance traveled by on foot. On foot
1.0
means walking. 1.030 because there is only 2 places. 030. Always remember this. Kilogram and kilometer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now total distance we can add all. Total distance equal to
This
5.052 plus 2.265 plus 1.030.
265 plus 1.030 is equal to
Find the answer.
0.347. Ma'am, 8.347.
Yes, correct.
After 5, yeah. Ma'am, 8.347.
Okay, it is 8.347 kilometer. 8.347 kilometer.
Yes, ma'am. 8.347 kilometers.
Kilometer. So, word problems, we use this technique, most common. Okay, now I hope you understood this. Next one is gram and kilogram.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
take it
wait.
into the top?
Yes?
Ma'am, can you scroll the board? Ma'am, sir.
Enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, after that I will scroll up.
Ma'am, I finished right.
Okay. So, the third problem,
Yes, ma'am.
third one.
Ma'am, wait.
Third one, it's weight.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Ananda Krishnan boat. Ananda Krishnan. Anandu. I'll write Anandu. Anandu boat. Anandu boat. 4 kilogram. 90 gram. 90 gram of apples. Apples. 2 kilogram. 60 gram of oranges. Oranges. Ayo. Not oranges. Grapes.
Ma'am, no problem.
Oh, no
Anything.
problem. You're right.
I finished writing.
Anything. Okay. Grapes is enough. Okay. And 5 kilogram, 300 gram of mangoes.
300 grams
Mangoes.
mango.
Find the total weight of all the fruits. Find the total weight of all the fruits.
Total
All the fruits. Okay, so it is very important that you have to see the decimal part properly. That decimal part will come at gram. Wherever that gram is there our decimal part. So decimal part, since it is kilogram and gram, we need 3 numbers. If there are 2 numbers, you have to make it sure, make it proper.
Yes, ma'am. So, wait.
So how will you write? Weight
Ma'am,
of
weight of
weight of
apple.
apples.
Of apples.
Tell me, weight of apples
0.
equal to
4.0.
4.090 kilogram. Okay. Next one, weight of grapes.
2.060 kilogram.
2.060 kilogram. Otherwise, your calculation, if you did not do this, you will add with 60, 90 and all, and your total weight will be a mistake because everything will be wrong. Okay. Next one, weight of mangoes.
mango.
5.300 kg.
5.3.
It is okay because
5.300.
5 point 300 kilogram. Now total weight. Total weight.
Ma'am, 11.450 kg.
1 minute. Total weight equal to 4.090 plus 2.060, 5.300.
Ma'am, 11.450 kilograms.
11.450
kilograms.
Okay, 11.450 kilograms. Okay, so word problem addition. This word problem addition.
Yes, ma'am. No subtraction.
Now it is word problem. Next one subtraction.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
very simple because we have studied all this conversion earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, it will be difficult because the conversion I took before the word problem. Actually, it is in before so many topics before, but I took now so that it is easy for you. Okay, children. Now, shall I scroll it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Yes, yes. See, children, that Francis Kayum, Francis Emil Lijo, Malavika Bini. Malavika came today.
Malavika, sir.
Malavika. Then Anna, you are coming, going, again coming. What happened? Network issue?
Yes.
Okay. Is it raining anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Raining,
No,
raining.
ma'am.
Anna,
Yes, ma'am.
It
where
is
is your
raining,
house,
ma'am.
Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your house?
Ma'am, in Korti.
Koriti. Koriti it is raining, but here it is not raining.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. In my house also it's raining.
Where is the place?
Ma'am, Vellore.
Vellore, Kodungalur.
Yeah,
Devika's
ma'am.
sister is
Narayana
also there.
Yes, ma'am. My
She's
mother and
also
sister
came
went
to
out.
hear
So
math
she's
class.
no, ma'am. My mother and sister went out. So she's scared and she's sitting.
Okay, sit there, no problem. Do you remember me?
Katu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. So, what is Devika's sister's name? I forgot.
Prarthana.
Prarthana.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, children. So, next question is Prarthanas. Okay. So, question number, children? 6.
4.
4.
4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Okay, Prarthana. Okay. So, Prarthana, check the spelling. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Prarthana. Okay, Prarthana. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Prarthana had rupees 7.45. Rupees 7.45. He bought, sorry, he or she, Prarthana?
See.
Okay. She bought. 1 minute. She bought. Actually, in the question, it is another boy. She bought toffees for rupees 5.30. Find the balance amount. Find the balance amount. Left with the Prarthana. Okay, here no need of doing lot of steps, enough. The balance amount is enough. because there is no that much conversion.
And 2.15.
2.15 rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So instead of total amount, you have to write balance amount.
Balance amount.
Balance amount, only that. Balance amount equal to
2.15 rupees.
rupees 7.45 minus rupees 5.30. It is very direct subtraction. No need of any carryover, and you will get the answer.
2.15 rupees.
Okay, rupees 2.15. So how much amount is left with Prarthana? Prarthana Kutti, tell the answer. You want tell?
Rupees 2.15.
Yes, 2 rupees 15 paise. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So next one is, shall we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next one is Namasya. Namasya, are you ready? Next one is Namasya's question. Okay? Namasya is not there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay, Namasya.
Ma'am, see
Next
you.
one. Next one is Namasya's. Question number 5, correct? Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Namasya's school. Namasya's school. Namasya's school is at a distance of, at a distance of 5 kilometer, 350 meter, 5 kilometer, 350 meter from her house. Is it correct, Namasya? Where is your house? Kodungalur. Okay. So more than 16 kilometers from our school. Okay. 5 kilometer, 350 meter from her house. She travels 1 kilometer, 70 meter, 1 kilometer, 70 meter on foot. And the rest by bus. How much distance does she travel by bus? This is our question. Okay, Namasya. How will you do this?
Ma'am, I think we have to do all the steps.
All the steps. Yes, all the steps. That means total distance 5 kilometer, 350 meter, we can convert into decimal form. Again, traveled on foot is also given, but the rest she traveled by bus. That distance is not given. So we have to find it. How will you find? See, children, actually, this is this much kilometer. It is 5 kilometer, 350 meter. Okay, if you did not understand such kind of question, you can draw like this. And some distance she traveled by on foot, walked. So it is 1 kilometer, 70 meter. And this much we have to find. This is bus. Okay.
4 kilometer, 280 meter.
Okay, you found the answer also, Savio. Oh, yes. How will you find? Is it subtraction or addition? Subtraction. Okay. So we'll write the steps like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Total distance.
Ma'am, 4.28.
Total distance.
No, ma'am, we need to do the full. We need to convert it right.
Total Total distance means from house to
5
school.
kilometer 350 meter.
Okay, okay, children. Ashish, shall I write like this? Total distance
Yes,
from
ma'am.
house to school. Okay, 5.350 kilometer.
5.350 kilometers.
Okay, distance traveled on foot. Distance traveled on foot.
1 kilometer 70 meter.
Okay, distance traveled on foot is
1 point.
traveled on foot equal to 1.070 kilometer.
070
Kilometer. Therefore, distance traveled by bus. Distance traveled by bus.
And
By bus equal to 5.350 minus 1.070. Okay.
Ma'am, 3
Zero.
point.
And carry over. Then 15,
മിസ് ശരിയെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു
2. Clear, children? Are you listening? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
8, 2,
4.280.
4. Correct?
Ma'am, the answer.
Yes?
When you asked the total distance, I told the answer.
Okay, okay. Okay, total distance that from the drawing you can understand what is total distance. 5 kilometer, 350 meter. So this one traveled by bus is 4.280 kilometer. If you want, you can write like this: 4 kilometer 280 meter. If you did not write also, nothing will happen. This is the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Finished, right?
Till what time our class, children?
11:30.
11:30.
11:30. One more question I'll give you.
Okay.
And Savio told the answer. So next question for Savio. Okay, Savio?
ഓക്കെ മാം
Okay. So Savio's question. Savio's question is fruits. Fruits question. Okay, question number 7. Is it correct? Question number 7.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 6.
Six.
question
Number 6.
Savio bought a watermelon. Savio, you like watermelon? Do you like watermelon? No.
യെസ് മാം
Yes. Weighing 5 kilogram, 200 gram. Okay, big watermelon. Out of this, he gave 2 kilogram, 750 gram to his neighbor. What is the weight of watermelon left with Savio? What is the weight of watermelon? What is the weight of watermelon? This is remaining questions I'll give as homework. But no need of doing for Saturday. When you come, you submit. Tomorrow, no need of doing. Okay. Try to do one by one. Okay, children, if there are more problems, no problem. You take it as your own time. Today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow, you submit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Not all. Very less questions. Okay.
Yes, miss.
എക്സ്ക്യൂസ് മീ മാം
Yes, children.
ടുഡേ റെമഡിയൽ ക്ലാസ് ഇസ് ദർ
Yes. Okay, you find the answer by the time I'll write the homework questions number, page number. That is enough, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
just write the answer, right?
Is it in, okay. No, here you have to write it because there is conversion proper. Because grams, kilogram, we need the conversion. So you write the steps also. Okay. Homework. I'll write the homework here. Page number 179. Exercise 8.5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
2.50.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these are word problems. And page number 182. Exercise 8.6. 8.6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay.
Ma'am, the
Do
answer
it
is
for this Saturday. No need of for
Okay, ma'am.
tomorrow.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am's cousin. I know ma'am's cousin is Chikku Chichi.
Okay. You know. Okay, I'll tell her to send a message to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Today itself I'll send. I'll tell her. Okay. Okay. You missus, you need to come to the school. You want to come?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, shall I give the answer of this?
ma'am, answer is 2.5
2.450.
kilogram. 2.450 kilogram.
545 kilometer. Kilogram.
2.450 kilogram.
Ma'am, this chapter over.
This chapter over. We are going too fast. Going ahead of all the classes. Because of you. Because you are doing very well. Okay, Ashish?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yesterday, did you write the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall,
ma'am.
let
No, ma'am,
me...
don't.
Yes. This time, 2 minutes.
Ma'am, my charge.
Okay, so what happened? No, it is some other class. It is this board, it is Hindi classes. And Reshma ma'am will take it classes from her home.
Home.
So
Yes,
she
ma'am.
might have signed in. Okay, so I have to sign out fast. Clear, children? Otherwise, she could not
Ma'am.
take the class. So will you write it or will you take a screenshot? Fast. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay.
Screenshot.
Okay. Okay, children. So shall I wind up?
Yes,
Prarthana
ma'am.
Kutti.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
So see you tomorrow.
Thank you,
Okay?
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Come for
ma'am.
the remedial class.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Ma'am,
Bye,
bye, ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye, ma'am.